Hello everyone, I am Achal Jaswal and I want to explain our next topic, nutrition in plants. At first I want to explain living organism. All the living organisms, whatever it is, human, plant or any other animals, they need food to survive because they want energy, and from food we get energy. They reproduce, they respire, they excrete as well, and so many other functions that they perform. All the living organisms is made up of cells. Cells are the tiny units that helps to make up a living organism. So we can say cells are the building blocks of organisms. If I will explain structure of cell. A cell is constituted of three parts: cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cell membrane is the outer covering or outer thin layer present all over the cell. It is semi-permeable by nature, through which something selected things can be enter or can go outside through the cell. Next is nucleus. It is a spherical structure which is centrally located, and it controls all the functions performed by a cell. Cytoplasm. It is gel-like substance that present inside the cell membrane, and it around or surround the nucleus. A cytoplasm consists so many organelles just such as mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosome, ribosome, etc. Now the single and multicellular organisms. On the basis of cell used to make the body, we can divide all the organisms into two categories: unicellular and multicellular. All the organisms that is made up of only one cell are called a unicellular organism. For example, amoeba. All the organisms that is made up of more than one cells are called multicellular organism. For example, human beings and plant, animals, etc. Now, nutrition. Nutrition is very important process performed by all the living organisms. It is the process of or mode of taking food and its utilization by our body, through which by the nutrition we get energy which is used by our body to perform different functions. On the basis of nutrition, all the animals can be divided into two categories: autotrophs and heterotrophs. Auto means self, trophs means to prepare food. So all the living organisms that prepare their own food are called autotrophs. Plants are autotrophs because they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Heterotrophs, all the organisms that depend for their food on the plants or on other animals are called heterotrophs. For example, human beings and other animals. Photosynthesis, it is very important process for all the living world, as it green plants, certain kind of bacteria and algae, they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Green plants, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, utilize the atmospheric carbon dioxide and water absorbed by soil to prepare glucose, oxygen and water. This process is known as photosynthesis. It's important process. So अभी के लिए इतना ही. Thank you. I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.